Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on quantum computing. Quantum computing is a new type of computing that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to perform calculations. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many industries, such as medicine, materials science, and finance. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing is a type of computing that harnesses the power of quantum mechanics to solve problems that are too complex for classical computers. Quantum mechanics is the study of how matter behaves at the atomic and subatomic level. At this level, matter behaves in ways that are very different from how it behaves at the macroscopic level. One of the key principles of quantum mechanics is superposition. Superposition means that a quantum particle can be in multiple states at the same time. For example, an electron can be in a state where it is both spinning up and spinning down at the same time. Another key principle of quantum mechanics is entanglement. Entanglement means that two or more quantum particles can be linked together in such a way that they share the same fate, even if they are separated by a large distance. How does quantum computing work? Quantum computers use qubits to perform calculations. Qubits are quantum bits, and they can be in a superposition of states. This means that a qubit can be in a state where it is both 0 and 1 at the same time. Quantum computers can perform calculations by manipulating qubits and exploiting the principles of superposition and entanglement. For example, a quantum computer could be used to search through a database of all possible solutions to a problem simultaneously. This would allow the quantum computer to find the optimal solution to the problem much faster than a classical computer. Applications of quantum computing. Quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including medicine. Quantum computers could be used to develop new drugs and treatments for diseases. Materials science. Quantum computers could be used to design new materials with improved properties. Finance. Quantum computers could be used to develop new financial models and trading algorithms. Artificial intelligence. Quantum computers could be used to develop new artificial intelligence algorithms. Cryptography. Quantum computers could be used to develop new cryptographic algorithms that are more secure than existing algorithms. Future of quantum computing. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. I'm excited to see how quantum computing develops in the years to come. Conclusion. Quantum computing is a powerful new technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries and aspects of our lives. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of quantum computing and its potential applications. If you found this helpful, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos on artificial intelligence and technology.